We love our dogs in Wollongong and want them to be allowed in as many public areas as possible.
That's why we need to be responsible dog owners.
This is CJ. She's registered with council and has a tag. If she gets lost, we can always get her back.
This is Remy. When we go out, we put her on a lead so she can't run away. She's really friendly, but I know not all people like dogs.
We always carry a bag to clean up if Tilly does a poo. Better than stepping on it.
Ew! Or going into our waterways. Benji comes when I call him. Dad trained him so when he's off the lead, I can still stop him.